Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to join groups in Instagram. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So you cannot basically join groups in Instagram. There is no available feature for joining groups. But what you can do is just ask the group admin or any of the group member to add you in the group. So you could just talk in the group. Or if you cannot just find your group, what you have to do is just go to your DMs. Once you're in DMs, just go to this little search bar right over here. Once you press on the search bar, just type in the group name that you want to be there. So let's say you have already joined the group, but you cannot find it. Just type in the first initial of the group, or a member that's in the group, and you will find your group here. But as of now, there is such feature on Instagram to join the group. So that's basically how you can join groups in Instagram. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.